trying to play hard. Lily. Come on, let's go. Look. Look at her. She thinks she is something. Look at her. She don't know which one of the more toys she want to play with. Look, she got her little blue thing. She's so glad the rain gone. She can get out here and play. Oh, look at that. Yeah, look at that. Look at Lily. Ain't she pretty? Yeah. Her bad self. hmm Yes. She thought sure I didn't hear her back there with that foot. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Couldn't play hardball. She was trying to play hardball. Uh-huh. Yes, she was.